Hashtag Bad Drip Labs. Hashtag Clown Serum. Hashtag NEJC. CCI. CCM. EDD. Illegitimate Vapors. Blackjack. Vape Lounge. You know. Aussie Cloud Chasers. I've got a new toy. Okay? This thing is a dual 26650 parallel box mod. Straight up mechanical, no MOSFET. I don't know if it's going to be possible to put a MOSFET in there, but I'm going to have to do that. Maybe someone with a little bit better knowledge. Maybe I'll send it away to someone and have them throw a MOSFET in there, because it probably needs a MOSFET for what I do to these kind of things. Magnetic door. It's got 6 magnets. You know, it's a pretty nice box mod. It's got a it looks like a 3D printed sled. Stainless battery connections. You know, the wire looks to me to be 12 gauge wire, so it should be able to take 220 volts at ridiculous amperages. I've got 2 purple eFest 26650s in here, giving me 7,000 milliamp hour at 64 amp pulse or 60 amp pulse. You know what I mean? They're more or less Imran batteries for all intents and purposes. The button's pretty cool. It's kind of an exposed one. It's got a tactile feel to it. Works quite well. We're going to be vaping a 007 build, 20 gauge pyro wires, 4 wrap on a 1/8 bit. It drinks juice. It really drinks juice. Let's set that down. Juice this thing back up. You know, give this thing a couple more pops. Put a couple more drops on there. Don't want to over soak it. You know what I mean? That sucks when it spits back on you. Using the Airek RDA, and I've got 2 holes open. Okay, because we need 2 holes open for this build. Actually, that's not even tight. Let's tighten that thing back down. This build needs 2 holes open. Okay, let's blow some clouds. Shout out to Dave Vandermelly for letting me pick this box up. It is sweet. Okay. You know, pretty much goes dry really fast. I'm going to choke the airflow down and reposition this a little bit. Choke the airflow down about 1/3 on both holes. I like a little bit of a stiffer draw. Produces a monster cloud that just keeps on going. Really nice. Really nice. I'm just going to exhale this and see, you know, how dense it gets. Man, that Joker though. That is a stupidly dense cloud. It's such a clean looking box. It's wood. I've got a hashtag suck on this sticker on there. You know, Bad Drip Labs. Pretty sweet. Check them out on Facebook. If you want to try out their fluid, the website is baddistribution.com. You know, check them out. I'm vaping Joker by Clown Serum. That's also available on Bad Distribution. It's such a delightful vape. I took it to Vapor House in Irondequoit, New York, right on East Ridge Road. I had all the guys there try it, and even on it's a .07 build, every single one of them said that it was a delightful vape. Like it was a really nice vape. Every guy that tried it, and a couple of them don't vape at this level. Pretty awesome. I'm going to do a couple more at this airflow, and then I'm going to open it up. You know, the RDA heats up quite a bit. I haven't played with a wood box mod before, but it works so well, just so well. Man, it's a lot of fun, a lot of fun. I'm gonna open the airflow all the way up with the airflow control ring still in the RDA. Okay, so it's 3 massive holes, okay, on each side. Kind of an airier draw. Probably should take a stiffer draw. Let's try that. Just a really stiff draw. Man, you know, I kind of don't like that inhale. It spits a lot when you take a stiff inhale like that. I'm really partial to the man, that RDA gets hot. A lot of extra Joker popped up in my mouth. I'm almost immune to meteors now, which is really awesome. Let's do a couple more, and then I'll get the flock out of here. I did not drip enough. Did not drip enough. And I had it choked off too much. Let's open that back up. Man, this thing really, really, really puts out. Really puts out. It does everything that I want it to do. A very, very powerful mod. It reacts really, really well. I actually think I burned the cotton because I choked the airflow off too much, which was silly on my part. I'm gonna blow another cloud. Just to see if in fact I did burn the cotton. Dual Imrans is ridiculously, or dual EFES, Imrans, whatever, ridiculously powerful. Oh, it's not firing. Let's readjust that a little bit.